In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 stages of relationships between men and women: attraction, the relationship, and the breakup. Many people struggle with moving from "I don't like you" to "I want to know more about this guy." Let's dive into how to change that. First, I want to share a story about Benjamin Franklin. He once had a political rival who disliked him, but instead of confronting him, Franklin asked to borrow a rare book from this rival. After Franklin returned it with a thank you note, their relationship changed. This is known as the Benjamin Franklin effect, and it works in dating too. When you ask someone for a favor and they agree, they subconsciously start liking you because their brain tells them they must like you if they're willing to help. Now here's the deeper concept. The investment equation. Society tells us that to make a girl like you have to be nice and do favors for her. But this is wrong. The truth is, a girl will start liking you when she invests in you, not the other way around. The more someone invests in you, the more attached they become. So don't be overly nice or always help when she asks for favors. If you do, you'll end up in the friend zone. Finally, to raise your value, be scarce with your time and attention. Don't be too available or eager to meet her schedule. Instead, get her availability first before offering yours. Limit your time and always be the one to end conversations first. This creates a sense of scarcity, making you more desirable. The key takeaway? Make her invest in you, and your value will rise naturally.